take in.
He will take them away? My s'mores? Yeah?
I'll have to run after him.
And what else is gonna happen? What else the legend says?
Bowser will come, and he'll get him.
Bowser? And what's Bowser doing in this legend? Hello? Can you tell us what you did? Did you go for your morning walk? Yeah? I love you. How many lollipops do you have in there? 5? 1, 2, 3. ¿Ves? Oye, ¿cuántos años tienes?
3.
¿Y cuántos vas a cumplir? 9? ¿O 4? ¿Cuántos años vas a cumplir?
What?
On your birthday, how old are you going to be? ¿Cuántos? 4. Wow.